What do you mean by reflection of light? Bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. When a narrow beam of light traveling in one homogeneous medium falls on the surface of another homogeneous medium, a portion of incident light is sent back into the first medium. This phenomenon of light is called reflection. The portion of the incident light sent back is known as reflected light. Different material or surfaces reflect light to different extent. If the surface is smooth and highly polished, for example mirror, then the major portion of the light is reflected back. Reflection of light is the process which enables us to see different objects around us. Luminous bodies are directly seen, but non-luminous objects are seen only because they reflect the light incident on them, which on entering into our eyes make them visible. What is regular reflection? Reflection of light is of two kinds depending on the nature of reflecting surface, regular reflection and diffused or irregular reflection. When the reflecting surface is very polished and smooth, the light that falls on it is regularly reflected. This phenomenon is known as regular reflection. Regular reflection takes place on highly polished on smooth surfaces, for example plane mirror. What is irregular reflection? If the reflecting surface is irregular, the rays of light that falls on it are scattered in all directions. This is called irregular or diffused reflection. Irregular reflection takes place on rough surfaces, for example wall, wood, paper, cinema screen, etc., ground glass. Common terms related to reflection of light. Incident ray. A ray of light which strikes the mirror is called incident ray. Point of incidence. The point at which the incident ray of light strikes the mirror is called point of incidence. Reflected ray. The ray of light which is sent back from the mirror is called reflected ray. Normal. A perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence to the reflecting surface is called normal. Plane of incidence. The plane containing the incident ray and the normal is called plane of incidence. Plane of reflection. The plane containing the reflected ray and the normal is called plane of reflection. Angle of incidence. The angle that incident ray makes with normal is called angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. The angle that reflected ray makes with the normal is called angle of reflection. What are the laws of reflection? The reflection at a surface obeys the following two laws, which are called laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. For an incident ray normally on a surface, angle I is 0, therefore angle R is 0. Thus the ray of light incident normally on a surface is reflected back along the same path. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie on the same plane.